product endorsements in the Philippines. How involved are you and how committed are you pag tumatanggap ka ng endorsement like Prutas?
Thank you for that very wonderful question, Tita. Actually, parang ngayon ko lang siya sasabihin in public, although I say it all the time. So right now din po kasi that I've reached my 15-year mark in the industry, I get to really be involved with all of the things that I'm being part of, most especially with the brands. Ngayon po kasi parang we always see to it, my team, of course GMA, my team, and myself, to really ask the vision of the product on where they want to go. Siyempre, with the consideration of its alignment with my branding din po as well. Kumbaga, para holistic po yung approach when it comes to promoting the product. I see to it na kahit papano with the consent of the brand, I get to be also involved with the creative process and creative production po of the things and the campaigns that we're about to do. At least para pag ginawa ko siya and ginawa siya in partnership with the brand, it's very holistic. And it's close to me as well because I know that I was also part of the creative process. So parang gone are the days right now na parang I get to have brands and then kumbaga si brand lang yung magsasabi kung anong gagawin. Parang right now I'm also very much open to really offer my knowledge and skills din po when it comes to marketing as well. Because being here in the industry for almost a decade, medyo memorize na po natin yung market and how things come and go. So, kumbaga, extra effort ko yun for the brands to show my gratitude to them. Na gusto ko rin tumulong with all the things, the campaigns, the creative stuff that I can input as well para mas buo yung marketing strategy and mas buo yung paglatag ng campaigns natin for the brands that I'm partnered with.